welcome back to my channel. It's a Dahlia thing. And today we're going to be making some slime. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients. This is the washing detergent, the food coloring, the shaving cream, scent right in the front, the tiny one, white glue or clear glue. This is what we're going to be using today. Let's go on to making the slime. So now we're going to start by putting the glue. Just open the cap and pour as much as you want. Just one bowl, just one of these is a lot, like a lot of glue. And now you take food coloring. I'm gonna take red because it's my favorite color and I can't get it up. There, red, and now you just put drops in there. Okay, and now you just need a mixing spoon. I do not have a mixing spoon. So now I have a spoon and you just mix your food coloring in the glue. You just put your detergent in and you pour some, a bit at a time, and you start mixing until it becomes like slime. And when you think it's not enough, just add more, but I think I have enough, so I'm just gonna add more in case. That's it. And I just mix it up well. Make sure you get pretty much all the glue. Try at least. And now you just add the shaving cream. Now I just take my hands and I mix it up. If it's too sticky, put more shaving cream and mix until it's nice. You just have to keep mixing until you have the right consistency. Now I have a bubble gum pink, and what you're gonna want to do is take the scent, open it up, and put just one drop. And it's gonna smell like strawberry. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. See you next time at It's a Dahlia Thing.